Welcome to Helio GreenTech, your partner in harnessing the power of the sun. We're excited to guide you through the next steps of installing your solar system. Let's get started. The first step is a site survey. We'll send out our team to your home to take detailed photos of your roof, electrical setup, and attic. These photos will be submitted to our engineering team for designing your custom solar system. Our engineers will carefully review the photos and create a design that meets your energy needs. We'll also work with your utility company to determine the maximum system size allowed and apply for project approval, a process that usually takes 5 to 7 days. Once we receive approval from our engineering team, we'll present the design to you for your approval. After you give the green light, we'll get to work. We'll handle the permit process and work closely with your local jurisdiction. Then, we'll schedule the installation, which typically takes 1 to 2 days to complete. Once the installation is finished, we'll arrange for inspections. Your local city or county, as well as your utility company, may conduct inspections. These inspections are usually completed within 1 to 7 days after installation. After the inspections, we'll wait for the permission to operate, PTO, which can take up to 45 days. In most cases, it's completed in less than 30 days. Once you receive the PTO, you'll get a couple of important emails. If you financed your system, you'll receive an email from your financing company to guide you through your first payments. Payments typically begin after your system has been operational for about a month. You'll also receive an email from your system inverter, usually end phase. The Enlighten app allows you to monitor your system's performance. It may take up to 3 days after activation to receive the app invitation. Our 25-year warranty ensures your system's reliability. Just sit back and let the sun do the work. Should you have any questions or need assistance during the process, our 5-star customer service support team is ready to help. Thank you for choosing Helio GreenTech as your solar energy partner. Together, we're building a sustainable future.